Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add another account in Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, then tap on profile icon and click on three-line option. Scroll down. Okay, and just click on add account, logging into, and to add another account in Instagram, type username, email or phone number and password, and just tap on login to add another account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.